Hello guys, welcome to Smart Vision. In this video, we are going to say about IBPS RRB CWE 5 Officer 1 exam review held on 5th and 6th November of 2016, and we learn how to approach in an upcoming RRB assistant exam which will begin on next week. This is Azmat Pasha and our channel name is Smart Vision, bringing success mantra to your ambitions. Okay, I'm not explaining in detail about the review because my motto in this video is not only a review. I want to make use of this data to crack assistant examination. Right? We'll just see on what they are asked and what are all the major topics they have covered in the examination. Okay. First, we will look at the reasoning part. In reasoning part, they have asked for 5 questions from syllogism. Right? And it was all moderate question. No single question is of difficult. 2 are easy and 3 of moderate questions. And in puzzle, this become a major topics. They have asked for 10 marks. That is 10 question from floor based 5 and order ranking 5. Hope you all know all what is the floor based and order ranking. No. One question they asked from order ranking is there are 7 different companies of mobile, and one person is there. He has sold in 7 different days. You have to arrange in a order from Monday to Sunday which mobile he sold, like a Samsung, Micromax, all those stuffs, which is very easy. Aram say you can score 5 marks from that. And floor based, that also very easy one. And in seating arrangement, this also comes here a major part. They have asked for 2 seating arrangements, which is one is linear and another is square. Linear square seating arrangement is very easy. It square they've asked for 8 persons. Those are facing to the center. Only one parameter they have given, so it is a very easy sitting arrangement of square. But linear, it is quite. I don't tell it is a difficult, but it is a moderate one. Okay, and in inequalities, they've asked for 5 questions, 5 marks from here, and it is also very easy. And blood relation, only 2 questions was there, and that is not a coded blood relation there in last blood relations, the sentence, and we have to form a relationship what is what, like that. Okay, in directions from 3 questions and miscellaneous for 5, that is from alphanumeric and direction sense and other topics which was different for different sections, but these are the major topics, so you have to focus. Okay, we'll just look at what are all the topics covered in quadratic equation section. Sorry, quantitative aptitude section. Simplification, which is based on approximation 5, very easy. Okay, and series 5, it was moderate. Number series 3 you can solve, but 2 was little moderate one. It's do not try those type of questions because it's a waste of time. In that time, there are so many easy questions were there, so that you have to focus on those questions too. And quadratic equation of 5, very easy one. In our channel, we have already given how to solve quadratic equation techniques. Please watch that video. It may help for your examination. Okay, and data interpretation. Actually, data interpretation a major part here, but very easy, guys. I have mentioned moderate here, but see, tabular and bar graph and pie chart, 3 were easy. In 3 of that, three questions are very easy, and 2 questions are little moderate one. So I have mentioned moderate in average. Profit and loss 2, it's also moderate one, and in average boat and streams 2 questions are there. Simple interest and compound interest, time and work, uh, mixture and relegation partnership, all these type of questions you saw. So in my channel I have explained about how to solve quadratic equation. Okay, and I have explained about time and work, the smart approach of time and work. So this will help you. Please go to my channel and watch those videos too. Okay. Okay, this is the very important topics we have to focus, and this much is enough to know who are all appearing in the assistant examination. Now I will tell how to score more than 50% in 45 minutes with 100% accuracy. How? Think, guys, what should be your approach in examination? What should be your approach? Time management, right? One is time management, and another one is speed. These two factors are very important when you're saying about the bank examination. But I say time management is more important than speed. If you have speed and you are attending, thinking of that I will attend 80 out of 80 questions in 45 minutes, and you are starting with reasoning part, and you have attended 40 out of 40 questions from reasoning, and you have attended only 5 questions from aptitude sections, total come out to be 45. 56% is very good marks, but if cutoff is more than 5 in quantitative aptitude, what will be your score? And you are you in for main examination? No, right? So time management is very important here. You will write by thinking that my speed is very good, but in 45 minutes it is not possible to attend 80 out of 80 questions. So as per the time management, you have to decide now only for which section you are going to give how much time. Okay, I suggest for reasoning you give 25 minutes, and aptitude section you give 20 minutes. If you are attending 20 questions from aptitude and 25 questions, you can attend more, but I am giving an average this one. Okay, see, total of 45 questions you can attend for in 45 minutes, and it will go for the 56%. Do you think cutoff will come near 80% or 90%? For general also it won't go more than 40, right? Especially in RRB it won't go. So you have to focus rather than attending 80 questions, right? Okay, we will look how it is possible. We'll go back to this data. From this data we will make use, and we analyze how to appear in the examination. And those who all are attending assistant examination, keep in mind you people are getting questions in same pattern as I have mentioned here. Okay, these are all the topics you have to focus. Instead of focusing all the topics in 45 minutes, how you will attend 45 questions, that is important. Okay, then after if time permits, you are allowed to attend more. I will suggest very important topics you have to focus. See, syllogism. Definitely you people are also getting 5 questions from syllogism. Maybe some changes happens in puzzle seating arrangement and some miscellaneous questions. It may interchange. May you get 10 marks here, 10 questions from puzzle and seating arrangement. May. Okay, and you are getting miscellaneous question for 20, sorry, 15. Okay, it may interchange, but all these topics we have to focus is very important. But now only 1 week is left. So in that 1 week, don't study anything extra which you have not studied yet. Okay, or don't go to practice each and every topic. It will mess up. Definitely, guys, it will mess up. That's why I suggest only these three topics you just practice more and more in this 1 week. Okay, maybe 4 or 5 days are left, and in that days we have to practice only 6 topics to crack the assistant examination. Okay, what are all the topics? Syllogism, one is very important. Okay, you just focus syllogism, You just practice more and more because it is very easy gaining marks, guys. Just by drawing one pattern, you can solve the question. And in syllogism, they have asked like based on one Venn diagram, you can answer two questions. Okay, are you getting my point? So if you draw two patterns, you are there. You are getting 4 marks. So syllogism is the best part to practice now. And puzzle you have to practice more and more. Otherwise, it won't be possible to solve in the examination. Okay, puzzle and sitting arrangement, inequalities. These are the very easy topics, and you can score more than 20 to 25. From this, you can attend 20 to 25 questions in 20 minutes. That's important. In 20 minutes, if you practice just after seeing this video, just practice, start to practice these topics, and you are in for the main examination. In quantitative aptitude also, I suggest only 3 topics that you have to practice from now. That is, forget about the series, don't try it on. Why you are wasting time? If it is not worthy to score 5 marks within 2 minutes, don't try it off. Okay, simplification, it was approximation. Okay, this you practice. And data interpretation and all the basic topics maybe you can cover. And more important is quadratic equation. Just by practicing these 3 topics, you here also you can attend 25 questions in 25 minutes. 25 to 30 you can attend, no problem, in 25 sorry 25 minutes. So I suggest just these three topics from each sections. Definitely you are going to clear the cutoff in prelims. Okay, guys. Yeah, one more thing. If in your question pattern the simplification part is not given, first you got maybe the miscellaneous question, and don't sit for solving that. Skip that question. See, if you got any miscellaneous question, okay, there will be a questions box to your right side and mentioning the number of the question numbers. If you got any difficult question, like from the sitting arrangements, I told one linear was confusing. You just analyze in 1 minute. 1 minute you give to the that sitting arrangement. You analyze. You can solve that sitting arrangement or not. Okay, let it go 1 minute. If you get a confident that you can solve this sitting arrangement question, then go for it. Otherwise, skip 5 questions from there. Means if you are getting a sitting arrangement question in 21st one and you are not able to solve that, don't try and waste your time in there. Exam hall is not an experiment hall. Don't try to do experiments there. So if you're getting a question in 21st one, you just skip 5, directly go to the 26th question, see whether that question you are able to solve or not. Okay, guys. Okay, that's it in this video. All the best who are who are preparing for RRB assistant examination, and please like this video. I hope all this data and analyzing of assistant examination may help you, and all the best. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share knowledge to increase yours. Thank you.